Want to start a YouTube channel but not keen on showing your face? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 niches where you can make it big without ever stepping in front of the camera. First up, at number 5, we have tech reviews. Here, you can dive into the world of gadgets and apps, all while using stock footage or screen recordings. Discuss the latest tech trends, review new gadgets, and share your insights without ever needing to appear on screen. Coming in at number 4, it's travel. You can explore the globe right from your desk by editing together breathtaking clips of destinations using royalty-free videos. Paint a picture of adventure and exploration with your narrative and let the visuals do the talking. Number 3 is all about top 10 lists. Sliding into number 2, we have health and fitness tips. Utilize animations or stock workout clips to deliver engaging and informative content. And finally, at number 1, we have finance and investing. Break down complex money tips into bite-sized, easy-to-digest content using charts and simple graphics. The best part about these niches? You don't need fancy gear or even a camera. Just grab a good microphone and some editing software and let your creativity shine. So which niche speaks to you for your Faceless channel? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and inspiration.